You're watching How Leap. Let's fix the Instagram Live option not showing. First, update the Instagram app. Go to your device's app store, search for Instagram and tap Update. Restart your phone after updating. Next, check your account type. Business or creator accounts have full access. To switch, go to your profile, tap the menu, tap Settings, tap Account, and tap Switch to Professional Account. Ensure you have a strong Wi-Fi or cellular connection. Poor internet can hide the feature. Also, check Instagram's server status online for outages. Then, clear the app cache. On Android, go to Phone Settings, Apps, Instagram, Storage, and tap Clear Cache. On iPhone, offload the app via Settings, General, iPhone Storage, select Instagram, then tap Offload app and reinstall it. Finally, ensure you have no active account restrictions or violations from Instagram that disable live features. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.